Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
We can all agree that this A2 for now is a good and well-marked road, especially when you see these continuous and broken white paint. We hope this one they have painted for long term. That is, the quality hasn't been compromised. Maybe when we check the drainage system, hopefully it has been done to the standards of a highway. You know, this one connects different places. As you watch, I hope one day you come drive along this section as you go to Nanyuki, as you head to Nyeri. This road is one of the best highways, and especially when you meet no traffic. But remember, when you're driving, be cautious and also mind about other road users. I hope you watched our video as we were coming from that side. You see how old it is, and yeah, when you look at these changes, you can actually see that for sure we need more changes like this. Guys, what do you think? And this one is River Sagana. See, we have is it a dhow or a boat? So this river comes from this Mount Kenya region and heads all the way to the Indian Ocean. See this track. People are going on expedition. So this is the river. See how huge it is. See how it has changed. Beneath these waters lies a history that dates back centuries. But look closer at the horizon. You are hovering over a geographical phenomenon that few people notice. This is not just a river crossing. It is the meeting point of four great counties. To your left and right, Murang'a and Kirinyaga. Stretch your eyes further and you touch the borders of Machakos and Embu. For decades, this spot was a notorious bottleneck, a single lane where the economy of a nation would grind to a halt. Today, the drone tells a different story. This is the 30 billion Kenya shillings gateway to the north. Remember, the dueling of Kenol Marua Road is ongoing, and very soon, most likely in March 2026 or April, the Marua interchange will be complete. And the only section that we saw was a bit remaining is the Karatina town. Let's hope that will be completed in the due course. Welcome back to Shifting News, where we track the changing face of our world. Today, we are hovering over the Sagana River to uncover the billions of shillings and the hidden geography behind this massive upgrade. Before we break down exactly who paid for this massive engineering feat, do me a quick favor. If you love seeing travel videos and infrastructure projects that are transforming Kenya, smash that like button right now. It tells YouTube to also share the video to other people for them to see the progress that is happening here in Kenya and across the world. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button to keep shifting your perspective with us. Let's talk numbers, because the scale of this project is staggering. You are looking at the Kenol Marua dual carriageway. This is not just a road resurfacing. It is a 30 billion Kenyan shillings mega investment designed to future-proof the region. But who is footing the bill? This is where it gets interesting. This is a strategic partnership. The heavy lifting is done by the African Development Bank, that is AFDB, which financed 69% of this project. They are joined by the African Growing Together Fund, that is AGTF, contributing 12%, while the government of Kenya stepped in with the remaining 19%. When you see the pillars and, let's say, the road, you are looking at international cooperation manifested in concrete. The engineers didn't just have to build a road. They had to build a structure capable of carrying the heavy agricultural wealth of central Kenya while withstanding the Tana's power. This investment is the handshake that ends the isolation which once slowed down this region's rich economy. Now, let's go back to that unique geography I mentioned at the start. Most people think of this bridge as just the border between Murang'a and Kirinyaga, but from this altitude, the picture shifts. We are at the confluence of influence. This river corridor acts as the vital artery connecting Murang'a, Kirinyaga, Machakos, and Embu. It is a rare point on the map where 4 distinct economic zones converge. The cargo trucks you see below aren't just passing through, they are feeding the markets of these 4 counties. We are sitting at approximately 1,050 meters above sea level, the basin of the Central Highlands. If you are coming from Kenol, you have descended about 500 meters to get here. It's a natural choke point that nature created, and engineering has finally conquered. Quick question for you, our shifting news community. Did you know that this specific zone links these 4 counties? Or did you think it was just Murang'a and Kirinyaga? Let me know in the comment section below. I want to know who our geography buffs are. Some of us, we are still learning. Now look away from the 30 billion Kenyan shillings tarmac and look at the water. We call it the River Sagana. But did you know this river has a secret identity? You are actually looking at the headwaters of the Tana River, Kenya's longest river. At this crossing, the water is at its most adolescent, fast, rocky, and high energy. And that energy is exactly why this spot is world famous. Just a stone's throw from these pillars lies the birthplace of adventure tourism in Kenya. In 2008, this precise location hosted the first ever African Olympic canoe and kayaking qualifiers. The athletes who represented Africa in the Beijing Olympics earned their tickets right here. It is the only place in Kenya where the river is wild enough to challenge the best in the world, yet accessible enough to reach by a dual carriageway. The town of Sagana, derived from the local name Tagana, owes its existence to this crossing, but the song of Sagana is changing. With the FDB and the government pouring billions into this corridor, the slow rural economy is being injected with high-speed commerce. This road is part of the Trans-African highway network, connecting Cape Town to Cairo. The trucks below are carrying the trade of a continent. Land prices are shifting. Warehouses are rising. The convergence of Murang'a, Kirinyaga, Machakos, and Embu is no longer just a geographical fact. It is becoming an economic powerhouse. From the 30 billion Kenya shillings investment to the meeting point of 4 counties, the A2 Sagana crossing is a testament to how far we have come. It is a river of Olympians, a road of nations, and a landscape that is shifting every single day. So you see, when we have dual roads, when we have developments, this is what we get. If you found value in this video, don't leave just yet. We have another video coming up, always, of different places, and maybe one day we will be covering the Mau Mau roads that we believe are being paved in the Abadeas. You won't believe the engineering there. So like this video and let's keep exploring. This is Shifting News. Let's meet in the comment section and see you in our next one.
Shifting News.